Most people think rich people are simply lucky. They believe wealthy people were born into the right family, had the right connections, or got lucky at the right time. But in reality, many wealthy people learn something early that most people never do. The habits that build wealth. Because becoming rich is rarely about one big moment. It is usually the result of small habits repeated for years. And the earlier someone learns those habits, the more powerful they become. Here are the wealth habits rich people learn early, that most people learn too late. Habit 1. They spend less than they earn. The first wealth habit is simple. No matter how much money they make, wealthy people avoid spending all of it. Most people increase their lifestyle every time they earn more. A better car, a more expensive phone, a bigger house. But rich people often do the opposite. As their income grows, they save and invest more instead of simply spending more. Because they understand one important rule: you cannot build wealth if you spend everything you earn. Habit 2. They buy assets, not liabilities. Most people use extra money to buy things that lose value. Luxury cars, designer clothes, expensive gadgets. These things may look impressive, but they do not make you richer. Rich people learn early to spend their money on assets, investments, businesses, real estate, skills. Assets continue creating money long after you buy them. And over time, that is what creates wealth. Habit 3. They think long-term. One of the biggest differences between wealthy people and everyone else is how they think about time. Most people focus on what they want today. Rich people think about what they want in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. They understand that wealth is built slowly. So instead of looking for shortcuts, they focus on habits that will benefit them in the future. Saving, investing, learning, improving, because the people who think long-term usually make better financial decisions. Habit 4. They learn valuable skills. Rich people understand that one of the most important assets in life is skill, because skills create opportunities. The more valuable your skill becomes, the more valuable you become. That is why wealthy people often spend time learning things like sales, business, investing, communication, leadership. While most people spend money on entertainment, wealthy people often invest in learning, because they know knowledge can increase income for the rest of their life. Habit 5. They start investing early. Rich people learn early that time is more important than money, because even small amounts of money can become large if they are invested early enough. Most people wait. They think, I'll invest later, when I earn more, when I feel ready. But rich people know that the earlier you start, the easier it becomes, because money grows faster when it has more time. Habit 6. They avoid bad debt. Wealthy people do not use debt the same way most people do. Most people borrow money for things that lose value: cars, phones, furniture. Rich people usually avoid this kind of debt. If they borrow money, it is often to buy something that can make more money in the future. An investment, a business, an asset, because they understand that bad debt keeps people trapped, while smart debt can help create wealth. Habit 7. They surround themselves with the right people. The people around you affect the way you think, your habits, your ambition, your beliefs. If everyone around you spends recklessly and believes wealth is impossible, it becomes much harder to think differently. But rich people often surround themselves with people who inspire them to grow. People who think bigger. People who build. People who take responsibility. Because environment can shape your future more than you realize. The truth is, rich people are not always smarter. They simply learn certain habits earlier than everyone else. Habits that slowly build wealth over time. Spending less, thinking long-term, buying assets, investing early. The good news is that these habits are not reserved for rich people. Anyone can learn them, and the earlier you start, the more powerful they become. Because wealth is not built by luck. It is built by habits,